You are going to love the 2026 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.